Good morning, teacher. I am ASTRID NARANJO, student of 3rd Parallel High School B. Today we'll speak about the history of alcohol, chemical composition, and its common use. Let's talk a little about what alcohol is. Ethyl alcohol is an unnecessary toxic substance for nutrition that is absorbed in the oral mucosa, stomach, or intestine. It passes directly into the blood, but most of it transforming the liver, which makes the more work transforming itself into acetaldehyde and the acetate. History. Fermenting drinks have been around for as long as we can remember. In Egyptian civilization, there is evidence of a primitive alcoholic beverage, the same in China around 712 BC or C, while in India it is now an alcoholic drink called sura. Distilled from rice, it was between the years 13 and 20 BC. Different Native American civilizations also developed alcoholic beverages during pre-Columbian times. A variety of fermented drinks for the Andes religion were made from corn raised on apples and were given the name chicha. Chemical composition. Ethanol. Each molecule of ethanol, the alcohol that gives you so much pleasure, contains an atom, 2 carbons, 1 oxygen, and the 6 hydrogen. Hence, the chemical formula is C2H6O. It is if the universe has deliberately turned itself into a monumental distillery. Common use. Alcohol are used as chemical intermediates and solvents in the textile dye products, industries, chemicals, detergents, perfume, food, deodorant, cosmetics, paints, and varnishes. Some compounds are so used in the denaturation of alcohol, in cleaning products, oils, and quick dryings, antifreeze, foaming agents, and the infiltration of minerals. Propanol is a solvent used in lacquers, cosmetic, dental lotions, printing inks, contact lens, and brake fluids. Also, severances, antiseptic, flavorings, synthetic non-alcoholic beverages, and food chemical in the intermediate disinfectant. Butanol is used as solvent in paints, lacquers, varnishes, natural and synthetic resins, gums, vegetable oils, dyes, and alkaloids. Isopropanol is another important industrial solvent that is used as antifreeze in oils and the fast-drying inks, in the denaturation of alcohols, and in perfumes. Isobutanol as solvent for surface coatings and adhesives, in the use lacquers, paint strippers, perfumes, cleaning products, and hydraulic fluid. Methanol is a solvent in inks, colorants, resins, and adhesives, in the uses manufacturing of photographic film, plastics, textile, soaps, wood, stains, fabric, the synthetic resin, coating, shatterproof glass, and the waterproofing products. Pentanol use the manufacturers lacquers, paints, varnishes, strips, rubber plastics, explosive liquids, hydraulic, sucralose, perfumes, product chemical, and pharmaceuticals, and the extraction of fast. When it uses dissolvents, mixtures of alcohol for the chemical synthetics of more synthetic and extraction pure products of them acquired. After a really correct alcohol is a compound, and most importantly, in the industry. Use the manufacture of pharmaceutical products and chemical synthetics in general, but above all for the production for a series of stairs and leaks, the most important in which, and the Jarly Farlet and the Jarly Inso Farlet, which serve as monomers and repolymers. Then I will answer these questions. 1. Why did I learn or reinforce? I learned more about where alcohols come from and what they serve us in our daily lives and the pronunciation of word in English. 2. What could have done better? Maybe consult a little more in depth and have more conclusions on this very broad topic. Thanks.